Welcome to RES classes. Today I am going to say some facts about father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, also known as Sudamapuri in Gujarat. His birthday 2nd October is commemorated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. In 2007, to honor Gandhiji's message of non-violence, the United Nations declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence. His father, Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, also known as Kaba Gandhi, was a Hindu by birth and belonged to the Modh caste. He was the Diwan, Chief Minister of Porbandar state. Kaba Gandhi married 4 times because his first 2 wives died young and his third marriage was childless. Putli Bai Gandhi was his fourth wife. Gandhiji was the youngest child of his parents. He had 2 brothers and 1 sister. Lakshmi Das and Karsan Das were his elder brothers and Raliat Ben was his sister. He did his schooling from Alfred High School, Rajkot. He was only 13 years old when he married his 14 years old bride Kasturba Makhanji Kapadia in 1882. Gandhi and his wife had their first child when he was 16 years old. That child died a few days later. The death of their child made him a strong opponent of child marriage. The Gandhi couple had 4 more children, all sons. Hari Lal, born in 1888, Mani Lal, born in 1892, Ram Das, born in 1897, and Dev Das, born in 1900. Gandhiji's wife died in 1944 while imprisoned in the Aga Khan Palace. Her day of death, February 22, is celebrated as Mother's Day in India. Gandhi was also in prison at the time of her death. He pursued law for 1 year at the University of Bombay and later went to University College London and completed his graduation in 1891. After that, he started working in the Bar Council of England. He went to South Africa where he experienced racism. Gandhi lived for 21 years in South Africa. Gandhiji set up a small colony, Tolstoy Farm, at an 1100-acre site, 21 miles from Johannesburg, South Africa, for his colleagues in the Satyagrah struggle. In 1930, he was the Time magazine Man of the Year. Mahatma Gandhi was chosen as the second runner-up for the Times magazine's Person of the Century title in 1999. However, Albert Einstein was chosen for the title as the 20th century is dominated by the science and technology. Besides, he serves as a symbol of all the scientists. He was a great writer and the collected works of Mahatma Gandhi have 50,000 pages. Gandhi spoke English like an Irishman. One of his first English teachers was from Ireland. Gandhiji spent decades experimenting with food, logging the results, and tweaking his eating choices. He wrote a book named The Moral Basis of Vegetarianism. Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, An Autobiography of My Experiments with Truth, published in 1927, was declared as one of the 100 most important spiritual books of the 20th century in 1999 by HarperCollins Publishers LLC. Mahadev Desai was Gandhi's personal secretary. Gandhiji wrote his autobiography in Gujarati. Sri Mahadev Desai, who is a personal assistant to Gandhiji, translated it into English. Gandhiji's civil disobedience was inspired by American transcendentalist Henry David Thoreau, whose famous essay Civil Disobedience he read while he was in prison. Mahatma Gandhi conversed with a lot of renowned people through letters like Tolstoy, Einstein, Hitler, Charlie Chaplin, Henry Ford, etc. Gandhi ji wrote a letter to Hitler addressing him as dear friend and begged him to stop the war. Hitler never wrote back. Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motor Company, is one of the Gandhiji followers in the USA. He used to spin the charkha which was sent by Gandhiji through a journalist M.S. Ray. In 1931, Gandhiji made his first radio broadcasting for the USA. His first word on radio was, "Do I have to speak into this thing?" Mahatma Gandhi was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize 5 times, but he was never awarded the prize. For the Nobel Prize, Gandhiji was nominated in 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and finally a few days before he was murdered in January 1948. In 2006, the committee publicly admitted its regret at having never honored him with the award. Great Britain released a stamp honoring him 21 years after his death. Reserve Bank of India issued the Gandhi series banknotes by displaying a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi since its introduction in 1996. The series issued in 1996 is of 10 and 500 rupee banknotes. Gandhi has given up full dress due to the poor plight of Indians. While touring Madurai in 1921, he noticed many people wearing single dhoti, which later became his attire. In 1959, Gandhi Memorial Museum was established. It is located in the city of Madurai in Tamil Nadu, in India. It is also known as the Gandhiji Museum. It consists of a blood-stained garment which was worn by Mahatma Gandhi when he was assassinated by the Nathuram Godse. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was assassinated in the garden of the former Birla House on January 30, 1948, 1 year after India's independence. The day of Gandhiji assassination, January 30, is observed as the National Martyrs' Day in India. Thousands of people joined the funeral procession of Mahatma Gandhi. It was 8 kilometers long. Here noted, the caisson used for the Gandhiji funeral in 1948 was again used in 1997 for the Mother Teresa's funeral. Gandhiji travelled to South Africa in 1893, where he was given legal work through an Indian firm. During his time in South Africa, where he was imprisoned many times, he developed his concept of peaceful resistance and satyagrah, firmness in truth. Subhash Chandra Bose called Gandhiji as Deshpita, father of the nation, on Singapore radio in 1944. Thereafter, Sarojini Naidu too referred to the same title in 1947 conference. The title is so popular across the country, though the Indian government never conferred any such title officially to Mahatma Gandhi. Rest in next video. For more and more videos, please subscribe, like and share our channel RES Classes, a hub of knowledge.